Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. We have some articulated trucks available for rent, and we're also selling some. A 260E right there. .300D Series 2. This baby, a 310E. We have trucks. Another 260E. Another 260E available. Good looking trucks. And a beautiful John Deere 370E. Look at those tires. And another John Deere 310E. If you're looking to rent something like this or looking to buy, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you and God bless.